Welcome back to Lexus of Royal Oak. We are located at 7677 112th Avenue, Northwest Calgary, Alberta, in the Northwest Auto Mall. Here we have one of our pre-owned units. It is a 2015 Lexus NX 200T Executive Package in the eminent white pearl finish. All vehicles purchased at Lexus of Royal Oak come with an automatic enrollment into our Royal VIP Rewards program. This vehicle is a one-owner, low-mileage, local Calgary car. Some of the features do include premium LED headlamps with the auto-leveling headlamp system, LED daytime running lights, headlamp washers, LED fog lights, front and rear park assist sensors, keyless entry with the push-to-start ignition, automatic high beam, park assist sensor switch, blind spot monitor with the rear cross traffic alert, power liftgate, pre-collision system, center locking differential, heated steering wheel, power folding rear seats, power tilt and telescopic steering wheel, driver seat memory seating, power adjustable front seating, hands-free controls, lane departure alert with steering assist, dynamic radar cruise control, multimedia display with navigation and the integrated backup camera, heated and ventilated front seats, dual zone climate control, a 10-speaker Lexus premium audio system, heads-up display, drive mode select, electronic parking brake, remote touchpad, QI compatible wireless smartphone charging, sunroof, black interior, great condition, and of course comes with the built-in legendary Lexus quality, reliability, and lowest luxury cost of ownership. To find out more on this vehicle, visit us at lexusofroyaloak.com or give us a call to schedule a test drive today at 403-296-9600.